Hi everyone, I am Rupa Kamath. I am the director of Chirantana Equipack Private Limited, where we manufacture fresh fruits and vegetable packaging machine and material. We are pioneer in India to start this industry. I am the proprietrix for Calibris, where we manufacture circular loom and knitting machine. My father-in-law, Bhagirat Sadanand Kamath, who got Life Achievement Award and Presidential Award for bringing this industry in India.
You started in 2007 and now you're managing a successful business. Rupa Kamath of 2007 and Rupa Kamath of 2025. What are the changes you see?
Over time, I have gained valuable experience. It has changed my perspective about life. When I started my baby step in this industry, I was giving myself too much to the people. I come from a humble background where I value other people more than me. Because of that, I suffered a lot. Then I learned the power of silence. With great difficulties, I have mastered the art of not personalizing everything. Still today, I make mistakes. Then every experience is a lesson. When I started in 2007, I realized I don't know anything about the business. I made lots of notes and I was figuring out how to learn each thing, HR policies, then accounting and managing people. And it's everything is like a sadhana, we have to continuously work on it. And one day we realize we have mastered it. So that was my journey from 2007 till today. What I am, it's because of that small steps I have taken and my positive outlook about everything.
Is it easy for a woman to build a business? Does gender matter or is it same for both genders based on your experience?
More than gender, it's experience. My husband Girish Kamath, he supported me, he guided me, and he was there for me to give me knowledge about the industry. Definitely, gender matters because many men, they don't want to listen to women or they don't want to consider your opinion. But at the end, you shouldn't personalize it. You shouldn't take it to the heart. You have to work on your dream. I personally don't give much attention to that. In marketing team, I feel woman has more power because of her voice, the way she expresses herself. It's easy to get the customer listen to you in the beginning. Then it's your art, how you handle it very professionally. So we have both pros and cons.
As a woman in manufacturing, have you faced any challenges?
Definitely, lots of challenges. Uh, Customer preference, you need adequate knowledge, and you have to manage the complex operation. You have to know the laws, HR laws, policies, and it can lead to burnout. You have to work a lot to sustain in the business.
How are your companies different from other companies?
Okay, I don't know much about other company, but I feel every company has its own energy. Like how we call our India as Mother India or Karnataka, Karnataka Ma. I believe, I always tell my people, Chirantana has its own identity or Calibris has its own identity. It's like a mother, which is who is giving us everything, like a salary or respect or the position. So we have to think like that and work for the company. And I make sure all festival they can bring their family members, they can bring their children, and they can celebrate it with us. And I've grown lots of fruit trees, and everybody is part of it, so they can take whatever they want, and they can come to me anytime and talk whatever they want to discuss, even though they are personal problem. My daughter Dhriti Kamath has started teaching yoga to my people and meditation too. and I felt that made lots of difference because it's like a group activity. And in Dobaspete, they have lots of shyness to just do some exercise. So we taught them and we talked to them, and it's like me, my daughter, my son, and Girish. We are together. It's like a home, and anyone can come to us and talk to us about anything. I believe in training the fresher because they come as a empty book, and it's easy for me to train them whatever according to the job description. So I always prefer fresher more than a very knowledgeable person with the fixed mindset.
From the conversation, it is evident that you give a lot of importance to your team, right?
Yeah, that's right. Because they are my assets, and company is not building or system. It's people at the end who has feelings, who has real issues to discuss. I feel that's more important for me. My people are more important.
In the last 18 years, how have you been able to manage any negativity that comes your way?
See, I don't personalize things. What I observe is what you have, you give. The people have negativity, they give negativity. They can't give you positive things at all. So I don't take anybody's comment personally. Before, I used to take in the beginning when I started my industry. Then I've understood, uh, you know, to succeed, we have to be like that Garuda, which I read in the book. You have to fly above the cloud. You shouldn't get affected because it's raining or it's not situation is not right. It's how you perceive things. I believe in win-win situation. I want to be happy. Even you have to be happy. So that's my mantra for success. Yeah.
You recently won an award from the Ministry of MSME Government of India, Sri Narayan Rane, in recognition of successful women entrepreneurs who have founded and scaled their companies in the MSME sector from all over India. How does it feel?
I feel blessed. They have selected 8 women all over India, and I am one of them. And they gave me the opportunity to speak in front of industrial minister. And I met wonderful people, many women who are made their successful career. It's such a blessing.